Welcome to Sajeeda's kitchen. So let's get started. Soak the dal well for 3 to 4 hours. Drain the water. Then grind the dal in a bowl. Take out the grounded dal. Add carrot, coriander, chilies, garlic, ginger, red chili powder, turmeric, salt, chaat masala, panko breadcrumbs, oil. Mix well. Once it is mixed well, make patties as shown in the clip. Fry the vada both the sides. Here we have our vada ready. If you haven't already subscribed, do subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.